back, we gotta fix it right in there, huh?
It's a little lower than that. Right?
Right in there.
Yeah, right on this one.
Okay. Let's go lay on your stomach. I'm sure your neck and back is. Neck and mid-back probably feels a little tight too, right?
Yeah. Always.
Alan does a good job of keeping himself in shape, so we gotta take care of him once in a while here. I'm gonna decompress you a little bit again first because it feels pretty darn tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maisie's her training's going along really well.
Oh, good. Did you have to train her now?
When she's here. Good. She's been getting just better and better. I think she's just settling in, you know.
Yeah. Good.
How your pup's doing?
Oh, good. I'm gonna go get him after this.
Yeah, you feel about right in here.
Oh,
huh?
yeah, that's what you're hitting right on that spot. I don't know what it is.
So this is decompression we're doing on his back to help get some pressure off the joints and off the discs.
That's above where my bulging disc is, huh?
Right, very close to it.
Yeah. Man, I boxed the other day and I didn't wrap my hands. Oh my gosh, the next day they were so sore. Oh yeah, right there.
Right on his, he's got a little bit of a sprain, so right on his back right here, there's a ligament that goes from spinous process to spinous process here, and you feel it's almost like he was whiplash.
Oh, man, that's it. Oh.
Hey, you're pretty tight right here on that thing. There we go. That released it pretty good there. Your legs were even, so your pelvis wasn't too off. I think you just kind of tweaked that ligament right there. All right, my man, take a nice deep breath in. Nice. He always makes funny sounds when I adjust him. All right, lay on your right side.
Everybody doesn't do that.
Some people do. I usually just go.
Yeah. Can't see how you can't.
Come this way just a little bit.
Yeah, I hate it. Like when I started working days again, and I started going and doing those classes at night. It's like starting all over every week. Yeah, because I miss all the week.
Oh, because you're not able to get in during the day. All right, relax your arms. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Let your knee just drop a little bit. Good. There we go. Nice. That was a good release. Let's go on the other side. So the cool thing is the VA is taking care of the veterans now, and we see a lot of people from Tri-West that they get referred to me, and so we're able to take care of the veterans, which I really like to do. All right, nice deep breath in. Let this leg fall a little. Good. Yeah, both sides released. Yeah, it's just right above where your herniation is. Oh, I wasn't gonna forget that.
It's the best part of the visit.
Man. All right, breathe in. 10 feet taller here. Good. You needed that today.
Oh man, did I? Thank you.